Good morning, good morning. I just want to share with you my morning breakfast drink that's healthy. So I am adding 1 cup of water to my blender, and then it calls for a cup of spinach. I'm using organic baby spinach. Yeah, organic baby spinach. And then it's very important that you blend in between adding each ingredient. This blending actually breaks down the enzymes and you get more nutrients with it if you just blend individually. So the next thing that I'm going to add to this is I'm dicing up 2 stalks of celery, and then I will put them in the blender, and we'll hear that little noise again. See what we can do here. And while that is blending, I will take 1/4 of an organic cucumber, and I'm going to slice it. Actually, with organic cucumbers, you leave the peel on. This morning, I peeled it because I didn't have an organic one, and I don't know how important that is, but I just peeled it. Okay, now for an awesome flavor and more nutrients, we're gonna add 1/2 of an organic pear. And I use a little refrigerated lemon juice, and it takes a tablespoon of that, which will go in here in just a second. For right now, since I can get it off real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and set Okay, so normally I don't even measure for the lemon juice because I like a lemon flavor, but I will go ahead and measure for now, and we'll add 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice. If you like your smoothie rather thick, you can add a couple of pieces of ice to it, and it will make it thick like a milkshake. Awesome. Honestly, I guess I should start adding a little bit of protein powder with this in the mornings. I haven't been for the past week, but I have noticed my energy has increased, and my appetite is a little bit less. So it's my understanding that perhaps the baby spinach, when it's actually blended, and the celery, that's kind of an appetite suppressant as well. So hope you enjoyed my preparation for our breakfast. Try one, it's really good.